Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I go from using my alcohol ink pictures and making it into a chopping board. It's pretty cool. Let's jump in. So the colour palette for this is a beautiful teal, a Cadbury purple and rose gold. So as you can see, what I've done here is I've added a ton of isopropyl alcohol to Yupo paper. Now Yupo is made of plastic, so it's a plastic paper, which means that when you put the alcohol ink and the other alcohol on it, it doesn't sink in, it lays on the top. So you can see me blowing it all about, so I'm making a beautiful pattern with it. You can really see like the waves and the colours. It's really, really cool. And once I have decided that I'm happy with the pattern, I then add some more and then I change the colour. So now you can see that I've added some purple. And now when the purple and the teal mix, oh my goodness, it makes such a beautiful blue colour. You can see it all mixing there. And what I'm using is just a little blower tool. Alcohol inks are very dangerous. It's a very dangerous medium when it's wet, so it's best not to blow it with your face and to use something else instead. And then I've added some rose gold ink and kind of pushed it into a flower shape, as you can see. It's really, really cool and very, very sparkly. Now it's time to edit. So this is where I take out the bits that don't look quite so good. And as you can see, I'm cutting out bits of it that I don't really like and just trimming it down really to make it look really, really pretty. What I want is the punchy colours because that's the bit that is going to be printed. So that's the bit that looks really, really pretty. So I'm just going around all of it, making it really neat and tidy so that I can make it into a PNG file and then I can get it printed. So once I have outlined it all, then I can get rid of the main part of that white background. As you can see, I'm tidying it all up and yeah, it looks a lot better now. As you can see, it looks brighter and much, much better when I get rid of that white background. Now it's time for printing. And then I stick it on to that sheet with some special tape and pop it into my heat press. Now this is set at 200 degrees for 300 seconds, which is about 5 minutes. And as it comes out, literally magic. I'd love to know what you think. I think the colours are beautiful, but please let me know in the comments below, and if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed that. You could see from me making the actual picture, editing it onto my iPad, and then printing it, and then finally getting it on the chopping board. It's a really amazing process. And what's actually happening at the moment is I have a giveaway on my Instagram and Facebook page that you can win your very own chopping board. So you can actually speak to me about what colours you'd like, what design you'd like, how you would like it on the chopping board, if you want white pieces, if you want it completely covered. But yeah, you can win it, and it's worth £45. You get the chopping board and you also get to design the whole thing, which is pretty cool, right? It can match your kitchen. You can give it as a gift to somebody else if they've got a new kitchen. So yeah, pretty cool. That is actually how I also make my coasters. So you can get
a chopping board and a coaster set. So I have round and square coasters, and I actually shrink the design down so it fits the coasters, or I make them so the picture is really big and I place the coasters on one page. So you actually get a set of coasters that are mismatched, but they still match it perfectly, which I also really like. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will be bringing some more tutorials soon. Thank you so much. Mwah.